Hello, I'm McIntyre from the Grafton High School Student Help Desk, and today I will be going over text replacement. Text replacement allows you to make shortcuts for specific words or phrases and can be very helpful if you regularly type out very long phrases such as an email. So to turn on text replacement, first you need to go into Settings, and then once you're in Settings, go down to General, and once you're in General, go to Keyboard, and then from Keyboard, go to Text Replacement. Now once you're in text replacement, you can see I have three phrases already in here, one being an email, one being a phrase that says hello everyone, and another one just saying on my way. Now you can see on the left there is the shortcut, and on the right there is the actual phrase. So to make a phrase, first you need to go onto the plus arrow on the top right here, and just tap on that. Then for your phrase, you can type in, let's go, welcome home for a basic phrase, and I can just make it welcome for the shortcut. Press save. And there we go, we created a new shortcut. So let's try it out, shall we? Let's go to this notability note I have. So let's just type out welcome. And if I press space, welcome home. It'll automatically fill out. This is the power of shortcuts. It allows you to type a potentially long phrase in just a very few characters. So for example, I have my email up here, like my email of knoyerma2020@s.grafton.k12.ma.us. As you can no doubt tell, very wordy, and it can often be exhausting to just type the whole thing out so many times. So making a shortcut of just the first three letters of it, then pressing space, typing out the first three letters of it, then pressing space, and voila, my full email written out in just 4 clicks. Now in the event that you want to delete a phrase, just simply either go on Edit and tap on the minus and select delete, or just swipe all the way to the left. And there you go. Those are your text replacement shortcuts. Now, knowing this, you will be able to be a lot more efficient with your typing. I hope this is a major help to you. It certainly was to me.